Hi everyone, and welcome to our lesson 65. And my name is Professor Roberts. In today's lesson, we will learn more about rationalizing the numerator of a radical expression. And given the first example we have there, we will try to rationalize the numerator part of our fraction. So, as we've done in the previous lessons, um, we have to multiply the numerator part by its conjugate. So that means we have to multiply the top part by root 4 plus h plus 2. And what we do to one part of a numerator or of a fraction, we must do the same thing to the other part. So we have to multiply the bottom by uh, uh, root 4 plus h plus 2. So we then to go on to multiply out our expressions. So root 4 plus h multiplied by root 4 plus h, this will give us 4 plus h. And then we have root 4 plus h multiplied by 2 will give us positive 2 into uh, root 4 plus h. Um, okay, we can bracket that up, doesn't matter. And then we move on to negative 2 times root 4 plus h. It will give us negative 2 into root 4 plus h. And then finally, negative 2 times 2 will give us negative 4. And all this is now divided by the product of h and root 4 plus h plus 2. So this will be h into root 4 plus h plus 2. Now, we will simplify the top. Now, the top 4 will cancel out with negative 4, and plus 2 root 4 plus h will cancel out with negative 2 by root 4 plus h. So we'll remain with only h at the top. And then at the bottom, we'll have our h and to root 4 plus h plus 2. And then h will cancel out with that h. And finally, we'll get our answer as 1 over root 4 plus h plus 2. And that will be our final answer. Now, if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. And see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.